Good morning, everybody. Jacob Cruz, Team EVA, Expeditionary Veterans Association. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year, 2023. It's actually going to be my first ride of the year. Unfortunately, the SoCal rains stopped everybody, majority of everybody, from hitting up the trails on New Year's Day. So, this is my first attempt on trying to get back on the trails. It's been cleared for about 2 days. And in an effort to find more trails for EVA, I'm actually headed out to Cherry Valley, I think it is. Cherry Valley, California. It's right to the east of Beaumont. I can never say that word. To go hit a trail system called Bogart Ridgeline trails. There's a few videos out there, mostly from the locals that are riding out there. Fortunately, today I've hooked up with one of the local riders, Steve. I don't know how he wants to be named as, but he is actually going to be trail guiding for me and Chris. Chris is also another Marine Corps vet from Bomber Crew, and he's actually going to be out here with us trail guiding and making sure we don't get lost. This trail is a very unique trail system. It is, from what I gather from the videos and Strava and MapQuest, all that stuff, there's about 5 dedicated trails to this ridgeline. For the most part, it's a couple ridge lines, I think 2 or 3 ridge lines with 2 valleys that you will be descending to. So it's about a mile climb each time. They all center back to the same I guess truck trail or entranceway or something like that. Regardless, this is going to be a good experience. We're not going to be able to get lost. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. So enough of me rambling. Let's get on the trails, guys. Cheers. So we're taking a break, as you can see. I wouldn't say close, but afar is the mountains with snow. So we're pretty close to a high elevation. We've been climbing for about a mile and a half? Mile and a half. Even though it says mile high climb or mile high road, it's saying a mile. But we're almost to the top. When we host this, we're actually going to do a shuttle, because the road climb's not hard, it's just long and annoying. What do you think, Chris? How's the climb for those goats?
Climb isn't bad. It's just tedious. It's long, not too steep. About 10% grade.
All right, so you have it from his experience and my experience. It still sucks climbing, regardless. So we're gonna hit that back ridge. I don't know, we might shuttle the next one. We'll see what happens, because it's only like a 5-minute shuttle if you're in that, but everything's on that side. So we're probably gonna hit the inner ridge and see what we can get into. All right.
So where we are?
All right, guys. So we are at, I don't know what trail this is, but it's we're at somewhere. It's the first trail. The most, I guess we still got to climb this mile high trail, but it's on private property. So if the gate's down or open, you can come in. If it's not, then you just pedaled or rode for nothing. But we're gonna start this downhill. We're taking it slow because we do not know what the fuck we're getting into. Woo. So it looks like it's a truck trail. Like an old truck trail. Yeah. An old truck trail. Still rideable. But let's make a stop and figure out. Oh yeah, it's definitely not that way. Yeah, we gotta go that way. I don't feel like dying today. We can stop, figure it out, bro.
No, it's fine. I don't want to.
Okay.
I'll just steal your video.
I'm not sharing. So We think we did like a 3-mile climb up. I guess they had a tractor trailer. This used to be an old truck trail or something. But you know, that's what we do. We explore. Oh shit, I fucked that up. Very wet. Trail is rideable, so we are good. And I'm assuming this is when it gets interesting. Gully drop. Oh wow. So a bit of a washout. Oh. Definitely a washout. Sorry, bro. I don't know if it's from the recent rains, but whatever that used to be, it's no longer there. Whew. Wait for Chris. All right, he's there. And it just got dark. Hi. Oh yeah, that's a trail. So that big old truck trail turns into this nice woodline trail. Chris and I were checking the GPS many times. Yeah. The trail? Yeah. Yeah, that works out. Yeah, we're on the right side. Whew. Nice. Oh. We'll stop and figure it out. So we had a quick river crossing. I guess with the bad rains, it made a new trail. So a lot of the trees fell down. So we are now on our way to go full downhill. At least we hope, because now we're in the trees. Even though it rained, these trails are manageable. Holds up very well. Oh shit, wrong gear, fuck.
A little bit loose because the leaf. Woo, that was slippery. There's a lot of runoffs here. Woo, and a lot of roots too. See. Nice flows. Yeah. There we go. Woo. Edging. I don't like it. Fuck. The trail split a little bit. Had a quick downhill. Now we're on a, I don't like trails like this. We're on a little sketch section. So, because of rain, a lot of runoff. And whew, we are at the edge of the ish. Right here. Ooh wee. Yeah.
Right, there's this gravel.
Yep. Very tight and very loose. Okay. Woo. Good. We're good. I hate sections like this. So what? Hold on. Well, we won't be going up.
Well, I think that one just winds around and comes down right here. And this one is just straight in.
Pick your poison.
I'm good for straight in, you?
Straight in. This beeline, very soft. Sticky, but very soft. Yapper. Gap. Oh yeah, that's a rut.
Yeah, I got into that and it was just eating me up. So I jumped out.
All right. So, keep straight. Whew. Of course, got a river crossing. There it is. Whew. So, like, have you guys ever ridden Palm Canyon? This has the, at the lower end, gets the river bottom. This is almost how it's like. Woo. And that's that truck trail, which we are not doing. All right, so we're for the most part off of the craziness of the mountain. Now we're back into the park, which is gonna be, whew, shit.
Hope that's the left you're talking about.
Yeah, I hope so too. Well, there's a loop on the top right, but we're not doing that.
Crossing.
Yeah. Top side.
Left side?
No, stay left. I was talking on the video. Want to see if we take that single track? So we're headed up Bogart Trail, which is pretty, oh shit. Oh, get the gear.
No.
Okay. If it wasn't so washed out.
I know.
All right, so we're headed on Bogart Trail right now. Pretty washed out. That beeline. Looks like a flow trail. Phew.
trail.
I would have said that left one probably.
Probably.
Most likely. Yeah. Alright. Took a wrong turn. Yeah, there's gonna have to be a whole lot of trail work done to this place. Oh shit. Just because super ruddy. Super. So typical army guy. Chris wants to explore more. I guess he's all I know is he better get first place in any race he goes. This motherfucker wants to climb everything. And then says, I don't know about this. But we're extending the ride. We're trying to find where all these trails link to, because it's a spider web of trails out here, just depending how much you want to climb. And apparently, or get an e-bike. So Chris and I are gonna do some dirty, nasty stuff at the lookout. That's what they do, right? Lookout points. That's where everybody gets pregnant at. Those overlooks. Yeah. So it's right over here. Right behind us is where all the trails are at. Oh shit, I thought that was a snake. God damn. I wouldn't be surprised if we did like 2,500 feet of climbing today. Minimum.
I'll be able to tell you in a minute.
Yeah, we at the top. All right. So everything we're trying to figure out, we came down the left side ridge. That's all the way over there. And this whole canyon is, once you get to the bottom, you just gotta pedal to everything. So we gotta figure out what trail we're gonna get. There's a trail that goes up that way. It's like horse something connector. See, it goes up and over. So yeah, I don't know. We'll figure it out. All right, guys. So we are about to descend to one of the trails that right here.
There.
Right to the left.
Right to the left.
Right to the left.
Was this one right?
Yep. So what we gathered is we're going to descend this trail, very flowy, climb at the base of the other trail, and then another flowy downhill to the next trail, climb back up, and then hit the trail that's going to lead us back to the vehicles.
Go left.
So if you want to bring your kids down this way, you stay at the bottom. Very easy climb. Easy trail. No tech to it. It's a good learning area. So we're gonna have to climb that as soon as we get to this base, we'll descend. On you.
Yep.
Good pattern. All right. Woo! Nice little easy ridge line. Fuck it. Whew. Ow. So the whole part of riding new places is trying to figure out where all the where all these trails link up at. So that's what we're doing. Exploring, climbing ridiculously steep trails, and trying to figure out where everything's at. Chris is a freaking goat. He's getting it. We're literally right there, and then we're home free. So see you at the top. Right, Chris and I earned our Pathfinder badge today. Found new trails that aren't really trails.
Yeah.
So we're on our last downhill. Time to get it.
Yep. Let's go.
Let's go. As I got mud flinging in the back of my butt. I take the high road. Whew. Mud left. Climb, climb, climb. Oh shit.
Wrong gear. Go ahead.
All right.
Here's where we're gonna go to the left, right?
Yeah. All right. On you. Maybe not.
Yeah, drop down right here.
Yeah. Yep. Not the same way, but I'll take it. Oh, you want to descend it, huh? Dookie. All right. If there's no more climbing. All right. Now to take some trails down. Little forest trails. park, this place is a lot of fun. Very easy. Little climb. Wrong gear. Woo! And we're done. Bogart Trail. That was Bogart Trail. All right, let's get back to the vehicles. Yeah. Oh shit, we're hanging there. Oh shit, don't do that. We're hanging there. All right, guys. We are done with Bogart Canyon. A lot of interesting trails in here. Prepare to climb. You got an e-bike, you're fine. If you got goat legs, you're fine. Other than that, prepare to climb. So we just got done with the last trail and we're done. It's time to get home, get something to eat.
Trail in there.
Yeah.
With that?
No, because that'll cross you over. That'll cross you over.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's that one trail on the right side, remember?
Okay.
Because it comes over and then crosses. We won't be able to get back to the vehicles.
All right.
I think. All right, guys, we out. Jacob Cruz, Team EVA. Until next time, we out this monkey. Happy New Year, guys. Choo!